afternoon, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shrace. Nice to meet you. Join the fam. Today is, I'm gonna call it the pre-Independence Day. But I'm currently here at the park and I'm low-key sweating because, well, not really sweating, but like I had my bag on my shoulder and yeah, I'm walking. It is cooked. It's baking out here. I done carried my umbrella and everything. I'm currently sitting on like one of my little old blankets. This feels super weird talking to you guys right now because I haven't done this in so long. I don't know what to say or how to carry this out. So today I'm gonna be editing out my little video. So excuse me for the background noise just now. Plan some content for tomorrow, I should say, because tomorrow's a special day. Anyways, I do plan on doing some content because I don't really know what to really show you guys, but I also want to bring y'all along with me on almost every occasional thing that I have going on. I don't really have anything that's like real, I don't know, real consistent almost, you know what I mean? Yeah, bear with me if you do come across that video. Thanks for tuning in. I will definitely be reading my book that I brought here. I'm currently reading Just Say No by Omar Talley. This is the name of it. It is a very thick book, as you can tell, so I'm kind of dreading it. I'm in the half. I'm getting like deep into it. It's draggy, very draggy. It's like one of the movies where you like kind of watch it just to see like when is it gonna get good. It's like one of those type of vibes. I don't know why I'm recording right now because I don't really have much to show you guys, but yes, it's nice outside and I felt like why not? It's nice, and it's, even though it's cooking, like whatever is going on, I think it's done. I do want to say that I will try to bring along with me on tomorrow's journey. I'm not really doing nothing tomorrow, but it is okay. Okay, we're in the clear. I don't know if y'all seen that, but for some reason, every time I come outside, something weird happens. And speaking of, why was there like a lady just standing right over here in that light spot? That's how close this lady was. I felt something very off. Nothing wants to happen to me today. Perfect. The breeze is blowing. I love that. I don't have any water, and I definitely thought about that. So yeah, I don't really have much going for today. What I was going to say before I got interrupted, that I do plan on, I'm gonna show you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna try to add it in for today's video to make it like a 2-part vibe, but we'll see. We made it this far. I'll see y'all. This is how hot it is. Ooh, but you can hear the ice cream truck. It's out here. I'm definitely on my way home. I just left the park now because I got bit and I didn't even know what kind of bug that was. But anyways, I am on my way home. Yeah, we'll check back in with y'all tomorrow. I just left.
Makeup, something I had to earn, but it's water in the morning and letting my body learn. This clean skin, soft light, this rest that shows in my eyes. This is how I hold my shoulders when I stop living rushed. I don't chase it, I make space for it. I come back to myself. There's a woman's glow, not loud, Silly, that's a woman's glow. When I'm calm, it gets realer. That's a woman's glow. When I take my time, it's a light I don't chase. It's a light I find. The real glow comes from inside. When I don't need a proof. When I say no without guilt, and I still keep my peace. It's being kind, staying sharp. It's knowing